Welcome everyone. I heard you guys tell me just don't unbox the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus or whatever costs. I heard you guys, and so in this video we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. So there's some really cool things about this tablet which I'm going to explain in this video, which you won't hear on other unboxing videos because they're all in the US and the US gets special treatment. But they added a bit of bubble wrap, so we just need to, I guess, slide up. What's really cool is they gave me all this bubble wrap completely for free, so I can use this in like 5 deliveries. So let me just talk about what was like really cool. So while we get this out, essentially I actually shipped this from South Korea. Yep, South Korea. You might be like, why did you ship a tablet which is sold in the UK from South Korea? And the answer is very simple, because in the UK, you only get 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, so I bought the Korean version, which has 256 gigs of storage. Now in US, you have the option between 128, 256 and 512. In the UK, you only have one option, which sucks. So let's just get this unboxed then. Also paid £200 in import charges just to get this through customs, but let's just do like this. I don't think this is what we're meant to do, but we're gonna do it anyway. Yep, that's what we're meant to do. And so, oh, that was not a good idea. Oh no, there we go, just a bit of damage. And so yeah, so this is the 256 gig storage, 8 gigs of RAM, Wi-Fi only because I'm not going to use the cellular part. And this is obviously my first unboxing, so there it is, Samsung. And they actually have a nice pull tab, just like Apple does. And so, first impressions, I've never used a Samsung tablet before. I've been using an iPad for the past 6 years. It's quite light. Should we do a bend test? That was a joke. I'm just going to move that to the side. So, we have a charger. It's in Korean, and it's not the UK charger, so probably won't be able to use it. It's 9 volts. Well, that's slow. We're not going to use that then. And we have the S Pen. This is what I love. Free S Pen. Apple, you have to pay 120 quid for that. So that's just like that. Okay. We have a USB Type-C cable. I'm going to use this for sure. I think I put it in the wrong way, whatever. And then something's missing there apparently. So how do I... What? SIM ejector tray? Wait. I didn't buy cellular, but let's have a look here. So that's all in Korean. Alright, cool. So I wasn't lying when I said I shipped this from South Korea. I paid £200 in import charges. It was probably cheaper than like the GDP value, because like they always overcharge. So SIM ejector tray on a Wi-Fi tablet is not right. But yeah, I don't get why they do that either, because, you know, I've just stripped it. So that's really the box. Let's actually get to the tablet. So here it is right here. I want to check the cellular as well, because I mean I got a free cellular device, if that's the case. I mean he gave me the wrong shipping, so I wouldn't be surprised if he gave me the wrong tablet, because he's probably not very smart. So how, like, what am I doing here? So like the top part I can't pull. Oh yeah, like there's an issue. I just never look. Right. So we'll do like this. Okay, now we have an instruction on how to put the S Pen on. I don't think I need that. So the first thing I want to see is, did I get cellular? Because I didn't order cellular. So no, that's not a SIM card tray. Oh, Can you see that? That's a cellular model. Oh, well, there's a couple of issues here. You might be like, just return it and get the right model. Here's the issue. Import charges cost 200 quid. So I've already paid the 200. So I send it back to him. He pays 200 quid. Then he sends it back to me. And then I pay 200 quid. And so you can probably see the issue there, right? And so what I'm going to do, so I'm just going to turn this guy on. How do I turn it on? Where's the oh, here's the power button. Oh, right, this isn't an iPad. But yeah, this is actually really cool. Oh, that OLED display is looking amazing. So we have 120 hertz, and this is an OLED. If you get the normal Tab S7, you don't get OLED. I really want to check. Did I buy Cellular? Okay. So this right here is my 11 Pro Max, and we're just gonna double check because I don't think I did. So if I go purchases. Oh, I can't show that, but right here. Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus 12.4-inch Wi-Fi only. Is this Wi-Fi only? This is either 4G or it's 5G. If it's 5G, I'm gonna laugh, but yeah. Wi-Fi only, black, ordered 1st of September, and yeah, that's actually so cool. So does this just work? It does just work. And it's in Korean. Okay, there we go. So we can change the language. So first of all, my opinion on the pen. This feels better than the Apple Pencil. So I find it really weird how it does that. Can you see that? Okay, let's actually get English available. So we probably want to do English UK. Right. Check out some info. So we'll just accept those. We don't need to accept any of it. Choose a Wi-Fi network. So also get the keyboard very soon. Man, this 120 hertz, I can feel it already. I can actually feel the 120 hertz. So this is my first ever time using a tablet. So let me just type in the password real quick, and it still has the Korean overlay on it for whatever reason. But there you go. Connect. So this seller's basically lost money because he's given me an upgraded model for free. What should be 512 gig?